Good morning. Hello, YT. This is Don from Daretobecreative. Hope everyone is doing well and had a safe holiday and everybody's rejuvenated and refreshed and ate plenty of food. I am here to just do an intro to the new collab that I will be starting on this Tuesday, July the 7th with Tina from TellHimthanku, and you all know Tina. So she's hosting a Tim Tuesday collab. And so the Tim Tuesday collaboration will be every Tuesday for the month of July. We'll be posting at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, so that'd be 12 noon my time. And I'm going to read off the list of the collaborators, the wonderful creators that is going to be in this collab. And of course, I have the link below in my Show Me box every week as usual when I post my stuff. I want you to check their channels out, like and subscribe to them because they're wonderful creators. And everyone, I think it's so cool when you do collaborations, is that everyone interprets the project a little differently from their perspective, from their style, from their resources. And that's what makes it fun and unique and interesting, is because everybody sees things differently, and that's the beauty of it. And everybody's giving certain raw materials, and you have to make something out of it. Like when life gives you lemons, do you make lemonade, or do you just keep sour lemon? So it's that kind of thing. So that's why I love the beauty of collaborations. So we're just supposed to show you some of our stuff today and get you to be prepared for it, and then see what we create. So I'm going to read out the list of collaborators, as well as their links will be in there below. So check out their channels, subscribe to them. So we have myself, Marla and Keepsakes, Marla's Crafty, MplsBetty, Angela's Serendipity Arts, Crafts I Heart, HappilyEllaAfter, The Latin Girl 34, and TellHimthanku. So that's the rundown of all the wonderful collaborators and all beautiful women. So this is what I have. This is not all of my stuff. I'm sad to say I have more than what I realized I had. But, if you watch my channel, that's nothing new. The majority of this stuff came from Tuesday morning and some from Hobby Lobby. So this is accumulation of years worth of stuff. And it's not everything up here. It's not even up here because I didn't grab everything. But I'm just going to start with this real quick. So, ashamed to say it, but I have, when Tuesday morning was having all of those distress stains. And they're not open. Because I heard once you open they kind of, get bad, whatever. So I have that many of those. So I do want to play with them. I don't know what I'm doing with them, but sorry about that sound. I need an excuse to use them, so yeah. Definitely need to be working with that. I brought this crease pad from Hobby Lobby. And so this is one of those ways, he uses this Vagabond. That's his machine. I don't have that though. But you can make any die basically pop dimensional without cutting it all out. So I thought I would give that a try. It's one of those tools because I really haven't seen anybody use that. And I bought this over a year ago. So a year and a half, who knows. That's just some chipboard that I figured on clearance that I got from Tuesday morning. Really cheap, 60% off of this. But just so these letters can use as background, paint it over, Mod Podge over, all that kind of stuff, just to add dimension to the project. So that's all that was for. So you have squares and some alphas. So I got it for that purpose. Alright, so we know he's famous. I got more than these three right here. But just to show you, these two and those tags. I have a stack of his tags as well. Stencils, I have a lot of his stencils. And for whatever reason, all the stamps are right here. I have a mixed media bucket of stamps, and so a lot of his stamps were in there that I hope to play with, And okay, now if you watch the Tuesday morning hauls and stuff, you see me haul these. I have that die. I have that embossing folder. So I have like all of these kind of things, and I have like the die sets for some of these. So I want to make these I will make some cards out of them, but some other stuff in ATCs. So that's just some of the Tim Holtz, when they had the big Tim Holtz thing. I have more than these, but that's just two of the ones I just grabbed out of my bucket right there. Some of his longer dies. I have a whole bunch of his Biggs dies, the Rain Man, I can't even think of the, I don't have the telephone. I got a couple of the Shield, some other ones. Word stamps. I got some word stamps. Just, I don't know the video up yet. The video's not up yet, but the Tuesday morning stamps with the alphas and the floral. Then I got these last year, the clearance from Hobby Lobby. Haven't used them because, like I said, I got to get back to my mixed media. I took this one out. I was going to start on the project and I didn't, but I got these from Tuesday morning. These are, I like these little photos that you can alter. So, and this was a little warped, but that's okay. I think I'm going to put some paper on it. You can take this down and add this in there. You can make a little project with that. So I have 2 of those. I think I just took this out to look at the inside of it, but you can alter it with this stuff. You can kind of see that. So I hope maybe something with that. I have inks. I just showed up one of the smaller ones, but I have some of the big ones. I don't have all of them, but I do have a few more distressed things. I don't think I have the crayons. This right here, now, bought this on Tuesday morning. Now, I put, there are different size, what do you call these? Yeah, those things. Different ones up here. I just put them up here because I was trying to figure out which ones I wanted to work with yet. So I have 3 different sizes, and I have extra ones each one, and the rings that come along with it. But I just threw them up here because I was trying to figure out which one I want to work on first, which size. And I hope to, this might be one of my projects that I do, is that I want to decorate this stand. So they're not ATC, they're not iCads, because this is actually, I think, well, these might be an iCad shape, 4x6, I gotta see. But I need to, I want this to be displayed so I can flip through. And like I said, I have extra, that thing. Why am I not saying the word? It's because I'm on camera, that's why. But so that might be one of my projects. I might make something like mixed media just to fill these pages, and I have the options of the 3 different sizes. So I put all 3 of them up there because I'm trying to decide which shape I want to go with. But all 3 of these will not be up there at one time. But you can alter this out and change it out at any time. And I just want to show you that. So I'm not sure, but it's simple to put together. That was one of his, as well as this one I haven't altered yet. So this one is just a frame. Right here, you actually have to buy the, excuse me, this is a frame holder. You have to buy the frame. It's called adjustable easel, but I got it for $4.99. I thought this might be cool to work on too. I didn't purchase the frame because I was calling myself thinking when I got this, oh, I'll buy it, because they didn't have it the same day, and then when they went back later, I forgot to get it when I saw the frame. Borders, tons of borders. I have tons of embossing folders as well. I didn't grab those either, but I grabbed some of the other ones just to show you, like the ATC ones, the smaller sizes, and the border ones. But there are, I have lots of his regular size ones. I don't have any A7 size, just the A2 size. I don't know if he makes them in that big, but anyway, I have those, and I have dies, the big dies, as well as the, excuse me, steel rule dies, as well as your regular metal dies. So I'm trying to think of anything else I have. That's enough. Like I said, the inks, I don't have any of these new ones, which everybody loves, the oxide inks, which I need to get those. Everybody looks so pretty with those, but I hadn't done it yet because I need to use some more of this stuff up. So this is going to give me that opportunity. Don't know what I'm going to make. I do figure some of it will be mixed media because that's kind of what I want to do, and some cards, because I think some of these will make some cute little like 3x3 note cards that you can give away. And then, like I said, I do have some that have the embossing folder and the dies with them together, like some of the animal faces with the stamp and the dies, like the ostrich or whatever it was. Then I have a couple of those as well, and plenty of his word dies. So I will be pulling that out, making some different things, and play along. Pull your stuff out, because I know you got some Tim in there. Everybody got a little bit of Tim. And if you haven't, Tuesday morning has been having some stuff on Tim. So you might be able to find some there too if you want to play along. But of course, your regular stores like Michael's and Hobby Lobby has, as well as Sizzix. Oh yeah, these are his too. I put this out to also make something with this. I don't know what. And I have ephemera. I have some embossing powders. I have yeah, a lot, as you can see. Anyway, I just didn't have enough space to pull it out because I was finishing up this birthday party stuff, so I don't have enough space to pull everything out. But anyway, you get the idea. So I don't know what it is, but it's probably going to be altering something like this and making maybe the pages that go in here, or something like this. Something, I think, like that, or these. Who knows? We'll see, depending on my time, because this is a really crazy month. But I'm going to give it my try. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, and God